exponential and logarithmic functions. Consider the graphs of the function y is equals to f1 of x is equal to x and y is equals to f2 of x is equal to x square, y is equal to f3 of x which is equal to x cube and y is equal to f4 of x is equals to x raised to the power 4. One can easily observe that the curves get steeper as the power of x increases. Steeper the curve, faster is the rate of growth. That is, for a fixed increment in the value of x, where x is always greater than 1, the increment in the value of y is equal to fn of x increases as n increases for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, the graph of y is equals to fn of x leans more towards the y-axis as n increases. For example, consider f10 of x is equal to x to the power 10 and f15 of x is equal to x raised to the power 15. If x increases from 1 to 2, f10 increases from 1 to 2 to the power of 10, whereas f15 increases from 1 to 2 to the power of 15. Thus, for the same increment in x, f15 grow faster than f10. We can understand that the growth of the polynomial function is dependent on the degree of the polynomial function. Higher the degree, greater is the growth. There are functions which can grow faster than any of the polynomial functions. For example, we can prove that 10 raised to the power x grows faster than f100 of x which is equal to x to the power 100. For larger values of x, like x is equal to 10 raised to the power of 3, note that f100 of x is equals to 10 to the power of 3 whole to the power 100, which is nothing but 10 raised to the power of 300. Whereas, for the function f of x is equal to 10 to the power of x, we substitute x is equal to 10 to the power of 3, we get f of 10 to the power 3 is equal to 10 raised to the power 10 power 3, which is equal to 10 to the power of 1000. It is clear that 10 raised to the power 1000 is much greater than 10 raised to the power 300. That is, f of x is equal to 10 to the power x is greater than f100 of x is equal to x raised to the power 100. We can easily prove that for all x greater than 10 raised to the power of 3, f of x is greater than f100 of x. Definition: the exponential function with positive base b greater than 1 is a function y is equal to f of x is equal to b raised to the power of x. The graphs of y is equal to 10 raised to the power of x, y is equal to 2 raised to the power of x, 3 raised to the power of x and y is equal to 4 raised to the power of x are given. Note: domain of the exponential function is set of all real numbers. Range of the exponential function is the set of all positive real numbers. The point 0, 1 is always on the graph of the exponential function. Exponential function is ever increasing. That is, as we move from left to right, the graph rises above. For every large negative values of x, the exponential function is very close to 0. In other words, in the second quadrant, the graph approaches x-axis but never meets it. Exponential function with base 10 is called the common exponential function. Exponential with base e, that is y is equal to e to the power of x, is called natural exponential function. The value of e always lies between 2 and 3. Inverse of the exponential function exists and it is known as logarithmic function. Let b greater than 1 be a real number. Then we say logarithm of a to the base b is x if b raised to the power of x is equal to a. We know that 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 and 2 power 3 is an exponential function. We can write this function in terms of logarithm as log a to the base 2 is equal to 3. Similarly, 10 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000 is equivalent to saying log of 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to 4. By fixing a base b greater than 1, the function called logarithmic function is defined as log of base b such that the set of positive real numbers to real numbers, that is x to log x base b is equal to y if b raised to the power of y is equal to x. If the base b is equal to 10, we say it is common logarithms, and if the base b is equal to e, then we say it is natural logarithms. The graphs of the function y is equal to log x to the base 10, y is equal to log x to the base e, y is equal to log x to the base 2 are given. Some of the important observations about the logarithm function to any base b greater than 1. The domain of the log function is set of all positive real numbers. The range of log function is the set of all real numbers. The point 1, 0 is always on the graph of the log function. The log function is ever increasing. That is, as we move from left to right, the graph raises above. For x very near to 0, the value of log x can be made lesser than any given real number. In other words, in the fourth quadrant, the graph approaches y-axis but never meets it. The graphs of y is equal to e to the power of x and y is equal to log x to the base e are the mirror images of each other reflected in the line y is equal to x. Properties of log functions. Let log p to the base a is equal to alpha, log p to the base b is equal to beta, and log a to the base b is equal to gamma. Converting these logarithmic functions into exponential function, we get a raised to the power of alpha is equal to p, b raised to the power of beta is equal to p, and b raised to the power of gamma is equal to a. Now, substituting a is equal to b to the power of gamma in a power alpha is equal to p, we get b to the power gamma the whole power alpha is equal to p. That is, b raised to the power of gamma into alpha is equal to p. Now, equating b to the power beta is equal to p and b raised to the power of gamma into alpha is equal to p, we get b raised to the power of beta is equal to b raised to the power of gamma into alpha. As the bases are equal, we can equate the powers. That is, beta is equal to gamma into alpha, or alpha is equals to beta divided by gamma. But alpha is equal to log p to the base a, beta is equals to log p to the base b, and gamma is equal to log a to the base b. Therefore, we get log p to the base a can be written as log p to the base b divided by log a to the base b. Property 2. Let log pq to the base b is equal to alpha. Then, converting this into exponential function, we get b to the power alpha is equal to pq. Similarly, if log p to the base b is equal to beta implies b to the power beta is equal to p, and log q to the base b is equal to gamma implies b to the power gamma is equal to q. Substituting pq values in b power alpha is equal to pq, we get b power alpha is equal to pq is equal to b power beta into b to the power of gamma, which is nothing but b raised to the power of beta plus gamma. Now the bases are equal, we can equate the powers. Therefore, we get alpha is equal to beta plus gamma. That is, log pq to the base b is equal to log p to the base b plus log q to the base b. When we substitute p is equal to q in the above equation, we get log p square to the base b is equal to 2 log p to the base b. In general, we can write log p to the power n base b is equal to n log p to the base b. Similarly, we can prove log x divided by y to the base b is equal to log x to the base b minus log y to the base b. Let us verify an important result. Is it true that x is equal to e raised to the power log x for all real x? The domain of log function is set of all positive real numbers. So, the given equation is not true for non-positive real numbers. Now, let y is equal to e raised to the power log x. If y is greater than 0, we may take logarithm, which gives us log y is equal to log e raised to the power log x. With the help of log a power m is equal to m log a property, we can write log of e raised to the power log x as log x into log e. Now log e to the base e value is 1. Therefore, we get log y is equal to log x, that is y is equal to x. Hence, x is equal to e raised to the power of log x is true only for positive values of x.